Hello, everybody. Larry Hernandez here again with Recruiter DNA. I've been running classes and workshops to help recruiting teams go from zero knowledge to using AI to solve all kinds of problems and complete tasks that we do every day. Now, I did a live demo last Friday, and this was the second most popular demo I did. And what I'm about to show you is in our training, we go step by step, right? And then if we zoom into the second module, the biggest problem that I hear from recruiters is AI, the writing is horrible, it sounds robotic, it's like spam, it's a waste of time, I'm not gonna use it. So in this class, we solve this problem. And we do it pretty easy. We do it in 3 steps. First, we extract samples of what great writing looks like, whether that's your brand voice, and we also do it for your personal style. We use AI to build a style guide that analyzes the writing and synthesizes it into a prompt, and then we save that prompt so you can use it every time. What you're about to see is me demoing this. So let's start off by using a very unique brand voice. I got this video from Apple's career site. Let's listen.
To the constant beginners who sing off key against the beat. To those unfamiliar with convention, unmoved by rules, and reborn with every new discovery. Those open to daydreams and night dreams and visions and mirages, who can see the millions of shades of green in a field of grass, whose days are filled with mysteries that cannot be solved with facts. You are more powerful than you think. And you are welcome here.
Wow. What a great video. You can tell why I use that video is because it's great writing. It's very unique. So I figured that would be, if we could get AI to write like that, that would be pretty impressive. So this is the first example. I recorded this video and I got the transcript. Okay, transcript is gold. I keep saying that over and over. Transcripts are amazing for many reasons. So I got this transcript of the writing from this video. Now, when you take the class, you'll have access to the writing style tool that I built. But what you're going to do is you would grab this transcript, right, of that video, or it could be in the class, we do your brand. And then we also can do your personal writing style by listening to your Zoom calls and your emails. But for this example, we're going to use the video we just watched. In the class, we have almost for every lesson, we have interactive AI tools. So you would just click this. And this tool in the back is a custom GPT that it's a prompt and custom instructions that I worked on for a long, long time for a client. And it breaks down. It does exactly this. Here's the tone in the voice, right? Here's the vocabulary. Here's a sentence structure, stylistic elements, grammar and patterns, structure and organization. And at the end, you get this, okay? It is your style guide. This will tell AI, write like this. So we get this, very simple. We go into, I'm in ChatGPT Pro. In ChatGPT Pro, you've got custom instructions. You can use this in any other tool as well. So this is just a project. Most people use it as a folder. The key is you've got custom instructions in each folder. So this folder does one thing. It turns text, job descriptions, writing into Apple's voice for this demo, okay? Now I've pre-programmed it. You could watch the last video I did. Right now, we're really focusing on watching it transform. So in the custom instructions, I've pasted this style guide here. And I've told it when I hit /Apple, turn anything that I share into this kind of writing. So let's take this job description. I picked this job description randomly. The reason I picked it is because if you read it, create and execute this, do this, do this, do this. I don't see a personality pop up, right? So let's grab this, and let's say you were a recruiter at Apple, right? And they're like, hey, you got to post this, but hopefully you're using brand guidelines. And no, I want it to be on brand, right? So I would go to my little deal here. I would hit Apple, and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to use hashtag. I like using these little tags as separators. It really helps AI tools know what you're doing. We cover that in the class. I'm going to hit go. So once again, here's a job description. Kind of boring, right? We're about to turn it into Apple style. Read this writing here. At the heart of every human breakthrough lies the pulse of a team, curious, courageous, and deeply connected. I mean, wow. Now we are searching for da-da-da-da. This is more than a leadership role. It's a call to orchestrate growth, craft environments where potential flourishes, and guide the human spirit across every corner of our organization. Let me tell you what, look at the difference. All right, from there to there. How did we do this? We used prompting, okay? So just to give you a second example of this, right? We're going to get a second company's video, and we're going to watch it. This happens to be from Boeing. I don't have any relationship, but I knew that the brand style is different. And when clients ask me, hey, we're very unique because everyone is unique. So create a prompt style guide that matches us. Let's listen to this video.
All of us.
A common calling to protect,
Connect.
And explore.
A drive to look beyond what is.
Ask, what if?
And define what will be.
A commitment to safety and quality above all.
from every person.
Growing with every day. Because working toward a better future
Requires more than a legacy of excellence. It demands a constant pursuit.
Now, hopefully, you picked up on some of the key differences, right? So same thing, I'm going to grab the transcript of that video, right? We're going to go to the tool. We're going to paste the transcript. It's going to analyze it, synthesize it. Okay. This is just a custom GPT that I've built. Now, here we go. This has it's synthesized. It's almost like orange juice concentrate, right? This paragraph really captures how Boeing speaks, how their brand speaks. So now we get this. I've gone back to my custom instructions here, right, in my project. And I've told it, I've already pre-programmed it. So we're going to say Boeing. And now we're going to grab the same job description. No offense to that company, I'm just using it. Most job descriptions are not that exciting. And the job description, we just saw it, right? It's just kind of, there is no personality. So now we're going to go here. I'm going to put some hashtags and I'm going to hit paste. And now watch it transform that. Mission first, people always. At this company, we're not just developing therapeutics. We're advancing global health through unwavering commitment and operational excellence, right? Are you seeing the transformation? We've gotten the same job description, right? And we just did a little bit of prompting. We turned it into one brand. At the heart of human breakthrough lies the pulse of the team. Same copy. We had it talk like Boeing, and now we're not just developing therapies, we're advancing global health through unwavering commitment. Okay, so here's the deal. A lot of professionals, especially recruiters, think that AI can't write like them. AI out of the box is not meant to write like you personally. It's been trained on all of humankind's writing. So it has been tasked to write the average, right? You have to train it. I hope you see how powerful this is. I would love to see you in the training. We go over this step by step. You don't have to have any experience, and also join the community over at Recruiter DNA. Thanks.